What's up? What happened?
I think my trucks are loose.
Oh, great. Well, it's time to get them tightened up then. Let's check them out then. Here you go. Hello, YouTube. We're back at it again with another random video. Today, we're going to be reviewing 2 skateboard tools we picked up at a local Zoomies in Southern California. Let me see. Yeah, actually it was 2 of my son's trucks that were loose today. My son found out, and let me see. Let's see if I can show you guys. A little loose, actually they're pretty loose. They're squeaking, so yeah, I always use my tools. Always at hand. I always carry tools around. And I could carry those around. But when we're out and about, or I take my son to skateboard park, and they'll always ask us for tools, and it's always my tools, and I don't want to lose my tools. So I don't mind borrowing them, but I just don't want to lose them. Well, it came to the point I did lose one tool already. I didn't want to lose them, so we picked up 2 skateboard tools they had available at the time. Pretty sure every skateboard shop they carry multiple ones, various ones, and brand wise, price wise, different companies, and so on and so forth. But we only got the 2 they had available. They had multiple ones of the same ones, but just the only 2 brands they had, and we're like, okay, whatever. And excuse me. So, what you got? What's the first one you got, boy?
So, we got this one.
Alright, so we got the first one, which is a Rush. I'm not sure you guys can see this. Alright, so it's a Rush. It's solid alloy. We got it for $9.95 at Zoomies. Like I said, it's not a paid video. Nobody's paying us to advertise or show it off. It's an unboxing, showing you guys what you guys could get or could help you guys out. And this is a solid old tool, which is pretty nice actually. I like this one. It's 3/8, which I believe. Yeah, there you go. And you got a 1/2 inch wheel socket. Let's see right here. And then you got the truck socket, which I believe is 9/16. And it came with a little Phillips head. And a little hex screw. Pretty sure there's hardware boards that have the hex key or use the hex key. I'm not sure you can zoom in on this one. I can see a little better. Great. I'm gonna put the little cardboard back here and show you guys. There you go. Yeah, it's a little hex. It's pretty small. I'm not sure if it'll help out when you're out and about. You gotta put this right here. Yeah, actually, yeah, it's pretty solid. Actually, yeah, pretty cool. Pretty solid. Nice piece. Continue with the other side. Alright. So far, I like this one. I do like it a lot. Nice piece. This one's by Rush. Does it have a website or anything. So we're gonna go on with the next piece, and this one goes on right inside. So if you were to carry it in your pocket, it'd be pretty neat to have, but it's pretty loose. Most likely it's gonna fall out of your pocket or be loose in your pocket. And I'm not sure what else, or if there's another way you could put it there. No, it's pretty loose. It might just come off and be loose in your pocket. You'll be hearing that in your pocket. Which, as you're skating, you're not probably carrying it in your pocket. You're probably gonna be throwing it on the floor, and you're gonna be skating. So, what else you got?
So we got this one.
This one looks nice. Put this one right here. This one's another one we got. It's called Unit. The brand is Unit, and we got it for $11.95. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, can't even see it. Multifunctional Unite skateboard tool for complete skateboard assembly. It has a 9/16" socket for the kingpin, the 1/2" socket for the axles, the 3/8 socket for the hardware, and the slide out Allen wrench for the with the Phillips screwdriver. No, this one's like their sockets are melted in there into a hard plastic and not all solid. I don't think it's a solid piece into a all. This one's cool. This one's cool, just not. Let's see here. Has a little rubber grommet for it to stay locked in. Doesn't really even stay locked in. Does it? Press in all the way. But I'm assuming that's what it's for. It kind of stays locked in a little bit. Not all the way. But it does the same job. I'm gonna put this one aside. We can try it out. Put this paperwork on the side of the table. I'm gonna have my son feel this hard tool, this skateboard tool. Just check it out. Feel it? What does it feel like to you?
Feels.
Check this one out. What do you think of it?
Feels kind of like plastic, kind of.
Really plasticky. It's like
like
I can't really see in the camera there.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it's really plasticky. It looks like if you were to drop it a couple times, it will actually break. It's a little. I don't know.
To me, this is like more stronger than that.
Oh yeah, this is a solid little piece, little steel. These are regular sockets, and
they just attached it.
Yeah, it's just to a plastic piece. It's not. I mean, if they would have made this out of fiberglass, obviously it would have been really strong. But it's just plastic. This is definitely gonna snap off, but it's cool for emergencies. But I would rather get the other Rush mean, I wish somebody would know something of in there in the store when we were at the store. And the little Hex Key. Obviously, if you have the Hex hardware. Phillips. Go ahead and tighten these. Yeah, you could feel like if you were to put a lot of stress or strength, whatever you use, into these. Can't see from this angle. Let's see you tighten this side. Alright. I think that should be good.
Yeah.
Now, do the bottom one right here. That should be good.
Yeah.
Just
Nice and tight.
Nice and tight. Not bad. Like I said, if I would have known, yeah, obviously, yeah, they could probably tell you, check them out. Open it up and test them out. But we needed 2 tools and I wanted to
Test them.
Yeah, we decided we could probably review them and help people out. Check these 2 brands. Which were pretty solid. Not over tighten them either, but just want to get the feel of these 2 tools. And my son will definitely be using either one.
I prefer the Rush.
You prefer the Rush?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll let you take the Rush. And you could use that and I'll carry this one.
Seems simple.
Yeah, more simple and probably more rugged.
Yeah. Nice and hard. This one's like hard. And that one's plastic.
Yeah, look at this.
It's like they spent time making this.
Yeah, it's a solid piece of
Yeah.
metal. You could probably break
Like
this.
a hammer.
Yeah. You probably use this as a hammer for something. Crack open something. I don't know. But the unit skateboard tool and the Rush tool, not bad. Not bad of items. Might want to check them out. We're going to be bringing you more random videos. Anything we come up on that is really cool, random, or just anything we think is pretty cool.
Trying to make it more fun.
Yeah, more fun. Definitely more fun and a little more random. I got my 2 boys that are going to be doing the most random things. Maybe little video games, maybe a little bit of anything Xbox, PS4, Switch, just random games.
Never know.
You never know. Car stuff. Kids like to work with everything, tools and experimenting with things. And we're going to probably try out some flexi seal and
Yeah.
some waterproof stuff and see what else we got. With random videos, we want to see if we could waterproof some stuff with that flexi. What is it? Flexi seal?
Yeah, Flexi Seal.
Flexi seal. I think it's called Flexi seal. We've been playing around with the Flexi seal. We've been able to make a lot of things waterproof with it. So we're gonna hopefully upload more videos each week. Well, I hope daily. That would be really cool.
Yeah.
But at least for now, once a week, possibly twice a week. So hopefully you subscribe.
And give a like.
Definitely give it a like. Big fat like. Big thumbs up.
Make sure you hit the like really hard.
Really hard. Yeah, hit the like, subscribe, share, hit the little bell button, and
Help us out.
yeah, it'll help us out.
Defeat the likes.
And just hopefully you guys enjoy the video. It's just a random video, and it's raw, not sponsored by nobody. Just us throwing out some fresh content for you guys. And hopefully you guys will tune in for more videos.
We hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe and give a like. Thank you.